The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil emergency message which is for Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 for any information. This is an emergency situation. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Repeating, this is an extremely dangerous situation. A civil emergency message means that a civil emergency is happening in the warn in the supervisory area or the message area. Alert in the alert area. The warn area is not. The civil danger warning will be coming up in a few 9 minutes. Please stand by for the civil danger warning, but it's not going to come off yet. Repeating, it's not going to go off. A civil emergency message is issued for Robert Sharkson. Sharkson, ages 6. His age is 6. He's always a shark-like. He doesn't have skin. He has really sharp teeth. One fin lost. One fin broke. And also as well, he was born on January 16, 2014. He is 7 years old. Born. The following message is transmitting at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil danger warning, now in effect until 4:45 a.m. Plainville Standard Time, Monday, December 13, 2021, at 5:47 at 5:48 on December 12, 2021 has reported Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 or call the Mikesburg Shark Department at 811-996-44445.
Miles east of Junior.
9991-9999. The following message is transmitting a request to the Mikesburg Police Department at 7:14 p.m. Plainville Standard Time. The child has to be Melanie Adams. She got abducted. She's 11 years old, and the rest of the description is unknown. She's 11 years old, and the rest of the description is unknown. If you see the girl. And she got abducted by Robert the Shark Air. If you see Robert the Shark Air. And Melanie Adams, call 911. And her father is not abducting the child. The child is trying to kill Robert, and he can't. Anyways, for any information, if you see Robert, call 911. And her father's name is Michael Adams. If you see if you see the shark, call 911 and taking Hunter Adams, John Hunt Adams, and James Adams to kill Robert the Shark Error. His license plate is 148-994 618 and in 1618. And if you see Robert, call the Mikesburg Sheriff Department and the Mikesburg Police Department at 184 minus 1624 minus 2818 2814 immediately. This is also the activation of EAS. Robert the Shark Error has finally died. The following message is transmitting at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. Robert the Shark Error that causes catastrophic danger has died. This girl, the 11-year-old who got abducted by Robert the Shark Error, Melanie Adams, has been alive. Has been shot by the shotgun. First gun. Have nobody ever come back ever again. This is the emergency action. This is the emergency alert system. Oh no, there's no asteroid. But anyways, This concludes information for the emergency alert system.
Repeating, this concludes.
This includes this test of the. This includes this emergency action termination. Beep. 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 Following message transmitting at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The individual virus is threatening the Mikesburg area, which has been in the individual virus is extremely dangerous, which symptoms including the virus include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of voice, loss of eyesight, confusion, fainting from the shark arrows jump scare, and also loss of voice, loss of eyesight, and loss of finally the last one, and finally the last one. And finally the last one, confusion. Have these SYMPTOMS code 911. Beep, beep, beep.